This is the wig that they gave me. It's the Yaki Brazilian hair, I believe. They gave me an 18-inch. The wig comes with 2 combs at the back and then 2 combs at the front. I went ahead and added the elastic band just for more security and just to hold it down a bit more. I went ahead and tweezed the hairline. It already comes tweezed, but it already comes plucked. It's not as realistic as ideally as I'd like it to be, so I went ahead and added a bit more. After I cut the lace, I'll probably just pluck a bit more just where the black parts of the knots are. I didn't have time to bleach it, only because I'm going out to bleach them, but I'm just going to add some foundation just to conceal those knots, and then go ahead and cut the lace, and I'll show you how I do that. I'm going to use my Smashbox foundation in the colour 10, and I'm just going to add that onto the Beauty Blender and just blend it in. So just go ahead and cut from the hairline. I really regret that I didn't bleach the knots because it's just creating like this weird line here.
He's a very clever arch criminal who must be put away. Another innocent victim of suicidal mania.
Allow me to introduce myself. Who knows what dastardly crime he might perpetrate next?
He's a very clever arch criminal who must be put away. Another innocent victim of suicidal mania.
Let me give you a few ways to pop out of it. One is to just understand common sense isn't common.
say